The target in-memory components are part of the standard target installation package. So if you run the target setup X file for the first time, or as here, you may already have run it, I'll just need to go here and add those in-memory components, those 4. You can also change the default settings, or at least have a look at them if you need to. For instance, this one here, and specifically notice the default password here. We may need it later on. But right now, let's just go next and do the installation of the in-memory components. It will just take a few seconds. That's it. And now if we look into the Windows Start button here, we will have some entries here like the target in-memory schedule management, and also the target in-memory ETL Studio, and the last one here, the target in-memory query tool.